Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss very important technique of risk management, and this type of risk management I am using for last 6-7 years friends. So how I manage my risk I will show here in this video today. So for example friends, you have observed and you have experienced if you buy a share that has fallen from the top like 130 40 somewhere from the up, and it is traded at 100 kron. So this share for example has fallen from 130 to 100, and we as a retail trader think okay, this is the good price. We have discount of almost 20-30% at that point, and like me and all the other retail trader they buy at 100. So this is just an example. It can be share XYZ, and now we buy at 100. After some point it come to 95. Okay, so then we wait it go up down for 1-2 week, and suddenly it come dip into 90, because market knows that this stock has been bought at 100, around 100 or 200 300 at 1 million, and it has been bought by the retail trader. So market knows all these data. They have all closing price and the amount of volume has been traded, and so now price came to 95, and still I have and we have some share for example at 100, but it has been traded around 95, 96, 97. So market wants to sell at 95 or 96 or 97 somewhere here, because market knows that this share has been bought at 100 in very large volume, but still nobody want to sell like me, and then it gets another dip to 90. So this is the duration of almost 1 month. Or so how do we will manage this kind of situation? So this technique risk management I only apply on a great stocks of large market value, and it should be in C25 index or C20. So I don't do averaging on every stock, but I do on good stock. I normally buy on C25 index, and they have probability to bounce back after 2-3 months from my experience. And then maybe we have average at 95. So now I have bought at 190. So right now I'm at the average price of 95. But at some point this stock has fallen to 88 consolidating, and then after 1-2 months maybe it go up, and then it is at that point at my ceiling, because I at that point I can sell and get my money back. At least I will not lose my money. So this is the risk management on averaging. Normally I can see lot of good trader or good investor they don't recommend this averaging, but I do on good share. If I bought share on 100, and I thought at that point they are on discount of 20% for example, as I said, but this stock may come on 90, and it happened many times with, and I used to average at 90 for example. This is just an example, it depends on the stock and environment. So by this way I can get my money back here. So now I will give you practical examples that happened recently with me in the Maersk. So the Maersk share fallen from 13,000. We can see here it's around 12,500, or about, yes, 12,600, 800. It went up to here, yeah, and then it fallen to 11,000. And I thought at 11,000 this is the good price and time I should buy something. But when I bought some share here at 11,000, then the price came up all the way down to 10,100, and then it bounced back to 10,300 where I bought, where I averaged this amount. So in this scenario, Merck scenario, because the price has fallen from 13,000 to 11,000, and I bought already a discount of 2,000 krona, but still it went 700 kron down. So I bought at 10,300 and I averaged my stock here. So right now 10,700 my average price is here 7,000, but this price 7,000 it came to my price. I can sell at last week at same, but I never sold at that price because I thought maybe it will go up, but it went down it came to 10,500 two, three times this week and last week. But this week I sold at 10,500 around this slot. I sold here. But right now I'm at 11,000. So why I sold this? Because I can see this price went up and down, but it never go up above 10,700. Today it closed at 10,645. But I don't know, maybe it fell down next week and even make even larger dip here. So no, I have saved this slot. I bought here, I sold at 10,500. But in case if it go up, so I will have my money back, or I will do averaging on the uptrend. If it go up 11,500 somewhere, so I will do average in the positive trend. But right now I don't know. So I got my money back, and if it fell down to 9,800, that it happened last year, so I can use this slot which I sold today in this area. I can use here. You can see this is my next support level for this stock is it's 9,800 around this. So this is strong support, so I'm looking for this. So I will use this slot that I average and sold today. So maybe it comes somewhere here. If it go up above 11,000, it's good because I am here. I'm sitting here 11,000. If it go up, maybe I sold here, then it will come, because right now this model price is going down and closing price is going up. So it behaves same like here. Can you see? It's up, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it goes along with the regression line. But when regression line go down and price go up, they will come closer to each other at some point. Same like here. You can see it bended here. But right now I have my risk management like this, friends. So this is one way of risk management that I usually use in my buying and selling stocks. And I do average. By this way I can sell stock and come out from the stock quickly. So I hope, friends, you enjoy this video of risk management.